How far do you know about India's MSMEs? Micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, are classified in two ways. Manufacturing enterprises engaged in the manufacture or production of goods from any industry or deploying plant and machinery in the process of value addition to the final product. Service enterprises engaged in providing or rendering service. Here is the classification of micro, small and medium enterprises along with their respective financial thresholds. PM Mudra Yojana facilitates credits through banks up to Rs 10 lakhs to small business owners from non-corporate, non-farm sectors. Stand Up India scheme is for financing SC, ST and/or women entrepreneurs in the manufacturing or trading sectors who are in their first-time venture. It facilitates bank loans between Rs 10 lakh to 1 crore. Credit Guarantee Fund Trust offers collateral-free loans up to Rs 10 lakhs and provides secured loans with collateral from Rs 10 lakhs to 1 crores. NSIC facilitates MSMEs to obtain credit from various banks and financial institutions by offering competitive interest rates and minimum documentation. SFS provides loans for enterprises that fall under the category of eco-friendly businesses like renewable energy, organic products, etc. The loan facility ranges from Rs 10 lakhs to 1.5 crores. PMEGP is a credit-linked subsidy scheme of up to Rs 25 lakhs for setting up new micro-enterprises. Don't wait anymore. Call SPB Machinery today. Thanks for watching.